Would anyone believe this gorgeous hairstyle started from ordinary expression hair? Today I'll show you exactly how to install this viral feather miracle crochet braid step by step. If you are a beginner, don't worry, I won't skip a single step. I've already braided my natural 4C hair to save us some time. Make sure your braids are secure, flat and not too tight. Please, if you haven't watched part 1 where I showed how to make these feather miracle crochet strands from scratch, I'll link it below and at the end of this video. As you can see, I intentionally did not braid all the way to the end. I left a small section of my natural hair loose, and you will see why in just a moment. Now, I will take one of my prepared feather miracle crochet strand and use it to continue the braid from where I stopped. Think of it as an extension of my natural braid. I will braid my natural hair together with the crochets all the way down until I reach the point that I desire to stop. Can you see how seamlessly this blends? That's exactly the look we are going for. My next step is to add more strands to the braid. So I'm inserting my crochet needle through the middle of my first braid. Then I will hook the miracle knot with my crochet needle, close the lash and gently pull it back through the braid. Then I'll pass the hair through the loop and tighten it gently. This keeps the strand secure. So this is it. If you don't want more volume, you can skip this step, but I want this hair to be full. So to make the installation even more secure, I'll repeat the same process again, but this time closer to the root of my braid. So you repeat the same step, just the same step. So after this, you continue installing the remaining strands using the same method until your entire head is complete. So I did this off camera so as not to waste time. So you can see the outcome of this. This is really beautiful. I was really impressed with the outcome. So the next step is to trim off any excess, just like this. This is really gorgeous. This is really beautiful. So for our maintenance, I use these two products to maintain this beautiful hair. These help to keep the corn soft and fresh. This is Luta coconut and shea oil for me moms. I apply it gently over the coils to reduce frizz and define the pattern. Then I spray my coil refreshener, which is Aluda's leave-in conditioner, into my hands first before smoothing through the hair. This helps maintain the coils without making them heavy. And that's our finished viral feather miracle crochet hairstyle. It's lightweight, full, beginners friendly and absolutely beautiful. I love how natural and bouncy it looks. If this tutorial helped you, I really love to hear from you. Which part was your favorite, the preparation or the installation? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, subscribe for more beginner-friendly hair tutorials. And don't forget to watch part 1 if you are making this crochet strand from scratch. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and may God continue to bless the works of your hand. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.